Let's work with Archangel Jophiel and Selenite today to clear away any heavy or negative thoughts, emotions, and reconnect you with your amazing, beautiful inner light. Archangel Jophiel is primarily known for being the angel of unconditional love and working with your heart center. Yesterday, we worked with Archangel Shamuel a bit and reconnecting with your heart center and clearing it. Today, we're going to go a little bit deeper and work with ram's horn selenite and angel wing selenite. Ram's horn or angel wing selenite is also known as swallow's tail selenite and fishtail selenite. Isn't this so gorgeous? So the angel wing selenite is really all about it's a stone of spirit and angelic realm connection. And the ram's horn, yes, I am touching in and tapping into my notes because I'm already connecting to Archangel Jophiel. Ram's horn is a stone of spiritual activation and transformation. So what we're working with today with Archangel Jophiel, she's so amazing. I just love her. And when there are things that upset us, so think of it this way. And can you use regular selenite? Absolutely. This is regular selenite, one that we're all more familiar with. This is from Morocco. And then ram's horn and angel wing selenite are both from Mexico. Isn't that amazing? So when things happen and negativity sets in, it is really about cutting cords and transforming, transcending, transmutation, transmuting negativity into higher vibrations. Because when we feel something, it feeds our thoughts. When we think something, it feeds our emotions. And so it can be just a real hamster wheel. Whether you feel something, whether you remember something, whether something triggers you, then the thoughts go around and around or spiral in and out and do all kinds of things. So how do you use selenite and Archangel Jophiel's amazing energy? So the angel wing and the regular, as long as it's polished, is easier to hold and to handle. Ram's horn, you can see the shiny, I think you can see the shiny in this. It is softer. You can hold it gently in your hands. Selenite is so amazing. All selenite, whether it's orange or white, helps to draw out of you and put a shield around you, a protective shield, draws out of you negative energies and helps to raise your vibration. It also helps to cleanse the energies of your environment on your desk. I have several pieces of selenite on my desk. One's in an angel form back here in the corner where you can't quite see it. And it doesn't need to be cleansed. You can also cleanse other crystals with it, okay? So the angel wing, so Archangel Jophiel, thank you, because this one will help you connect. You can put it on your, I would hold it here unless you have very, 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 very good balance. But I would hold it on top of my crown chakra, just on top of my head. Archangel Jophiel, thank you for helping me to open my crown chakra to better connect with you, to better hear your guidance and the guidance of my guardian angels, to draw out of me any and all negative forms of energy, thoughts, emotions, and help me heal any experiences. You could also hold it to your third eye so that you could see more clearly, okay? And the ram's horn, you can just hold in your hands. Now you can have your hands on your lap, but you can't see my lap, so I'm doing it up here. And in your left, the energy comes through the crystal into your body and out your right hand. Now you can point it up to Father Sky or down to the earth, no matter what floor you're on, or you can even do this outside. Now, if you want the energy to be drawn out of you, so you can have your left hand pointing up towards Father Sky, and then the energy that comes in through you is then pulled out, the negative part, the darks, the shadows, anything that is not of light and love and high vibration is then drawn out of you. Archangel Jophiel, thank you for helping me to dissolve, cut, remove, and release any and all energies that are not for my highest good and the highest good for all involved. Now, you don't have to think about a specific or say anything more specific than that, because it is not about triggering you or the experience again. It is about clearing your energy. So the ram's horn, I would, since this one is a little bit curved, I would put the curved part like so. You could do it here. You can do it definitely. I would avoid putting the point like this on my heart center. I would just, like you would do it on your throat chakra, I would put it just above my heart center with the curve. So it's receiving clear, clean, high vibe energy and transmuting all the junkalitis that's within my thoughts, my heart center, your thoughts, your heart center. How about that? Okay. Can you use them both at the same time? Absolutely. Here you go. Okay. And then how do you hold the other selenite or any crystal? How does it feel comfortable in your hand? This one has, see the little extra wing there? So this part is actually easier to hold. So I have the larger part facing outward so that my palm, it's easier to hold in my palm. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for raising my inner vibration, Archangel Jophiel. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for connecting with me, and thank you for any messages that I can easily recognize and understand. And it is as simple as that. When you combine crystals and angels together, it just makes, now this is my humble opinion, I've been doing this work for a while now. It helps to just bring in higher realms while acknowledging where you are in this moment and letting go of all the junkalitis. What crystals do you like to work with when you work with Archangel Jophiel, or removing any negative energies, thoughts? Cutting cords, that's Archangel Michael. How do you like this beautiful ram's horn? Very hard to find. I've been looking for it for a long time, and the same with Angel Wing Selenite. I think maybe 10 plus years. I found one piece years ago, and now I have some more. All right. Would love to hear from you. What part did you like best? Is there something that I can explain better? Let me know. And until next time, have an amazing day, beautiful soul.